Hello everyone and welcome to our AWS Monthly Cloud series. So in this video, we'll explore the latest features and updates in AWS, focusing on the highlights from the month of June. As always, there were a lot of updates last month, but we have cherry-picked some of them that you may find useful or interesting. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first update comes from AWS Code Build, which has increased its timeout limit to 36 hours. So AWS has announced a significant update for Code Build, increasing the build timeout limit to 36 hours from the previous 8 hours cap. This new timeout limit is particularly beneficial for customers with demanding workloads that require extended build times, such as large automated tests or complex embedded machine builds. With the extended limit, developers can now run these lengthy processes seamlessly without any interruptions. The increased timeout limit is available in all the regions where AWS Code Build is offered. And to get started with configuring and using AWS Code Build, you can visit the comprehensive documentation provided by AWS, which will be linked down below. Our next update comes from Amazon EKS, which has introduced a cluster creation flexibility for networking add-ons. So Amazon EKS now offers a greater flexibility in cluster creation by allowing users to skip the installation of default networking add-ons. So this new feature enables users to easily install open source or third-party alternative add-ons or to self-manage default networking add-ons using any Kubernetes cluster management tools. So previously, every EKS cluster came with default networking add-ons, including Amazon VPC CNI, Core DNS, and kubeproxy, which provide a critical functionality for pod and service operations. But with this new update, you now have the options to exclude these default add-ons during cluster creation, which simplifies the process of installing alternative solutions or managing default add-ons with tools like Helm or Customize. You can opt out of default networking add-ons through various methods, including the EKS console, API, CLI, or IAC tools like CloudFormation or Terraform. And for more information, you can refer to the official EKS documentation. Moving on to our next update, we have AWS Cloud Shell, which now supports Amazon VPC. So AWS has announced the general availability of VPC support for Cloud Shell, enabling users to create Cloud Shell environment within a VPC. So this allows secure use of Cloud Shell within the same subnet as other VPC resources without the need for additional networking configuration. Previously, there was no way to use AWS Cloud Shell to control the network flow to the internet, but with this new release, users can securely and conveniently launch Cloud Shell in their VPC and access the resources within it. So just to give a brief overview, AWS Cloud Shell is a browser-based shell that simplifies the management, exploration, and interaction with AWS resources. It is pre-authenticated with a console credential and comes with common development tools pre-installed. So if you're not using Cloud Shell too often, this new feature might make it more compelling for you to do so. And for more information about VPC connectivity in AWS Cloud Shell, refer to the AWS documentation, which will be linked down below. Our next update comes from Amazon RDS. So Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployments with 2 readable standby now supports exporting snapshot data to Amazon S3 buckets. This deployment option is ideal for workloads that require lower write latency and increased write capacity. You can now export snapshot data from Amazon RDS multi-AZ deployments with 2 readable standbys to Amazon S3 bucket. This exporting process runs in the background, so it does not affect the performance of a cluster. When you export a DB snapshot, Amazon RDS extracts data from the snapshot and stores it in an Amazon S3 bucket in an Apache Parquet format that is compressed and consistent. So once exported, you can analyze the data directly by using tools like Amazon Athena or Amazon Redshift Spectrum. Moving on to our next update, we have Amazon Elastic Cache. So Amazon Elastic Cache serverless now supports snapshot and restore capabilities for Memcache. This new feature allows you to automatically backup and restore your Memcache data. You can create a snapshot of your serverless Memcache data and use it to restore the cache or seed the data into a new serverless cache, enhancing data resiliency and recovery. So this new feature is available in all AWS regions, including the AWS GovCloud regions and China regions. And for more information, you can visit the Amazon Elastic Cache user guides. And for our last update for this video, we have Amazon Code Catalyst, which now supports using source code repositories hosted in GitHub Cloud with its blueprint capabilities. So this new feature allows customers to create a project from a Code Catalyst blueprint directly into a GitHub Cloud source code repository and add a blueprint to an existing project's GitHub Cloud repository. So we can create custom blueprints specifying technologies, controlling access to project resources, setting deployment locations, and defining testing methods. Previously, these capabilities were only available for source code repositories in Code Catalyst, but now customers can use Blueprint with GitHub Cloud hosted repositories. So this new feature is available in all regions where Code Catalyst is offered with no changes to pricing. And for more information, visit the Amazon Code Catalyst website or the news blog, which will be linked down below. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more, you can visit the official AWS news blog for more detailed information. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on all our social media platforms, which will be linked down below. Thank you for staying till the end, and see you in the next update.